Hello over there at Earthworks Incorporated. My name is Calvin Burkhart and I work with Mr. and Mrs. Leeds, a marketing agency. And I was doing some research in your area out in Dayton today, and I came across your website, and I figured I'd shoot you guys over this quick video to give you guys 3 tips on how you can beat out your competition online. So I don't want to waste your time, and I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what I have to say and you can tell that I have a lot of value that I could bring your business, shoot me a message and we can chat. Or if by the end of this video you just want to take the tips and use them for yourselves, I'm okay with that too. So let's go ahead and get started. So the 3 things I'm going to go over today are content, citations, and backlinks. So first things first, anything that you can see that's highlighted on your front page is considered content, including the pictures, what the pictures are saved as, and also what's behind the pictures is included in that content. And typically Google will like to see about 1,500 words of unique authoritative content right on your front page. And the reason why you want to have or shoot for about 1,500 words is because that's going to be enough words for you guys to work in any keywords or key phrases that searchers are going to be using to search and try to find someone that offers your services. It's going to be able to allow you to work in those keywords and key phrases so that way you could get found in the search results easier. So that's tip number 1. You just want to make sure you have more content that has keywords or key phrases in there that people are going to be searching for if they're looking for your services but may not know who you are yet. The second thing I'm going to go over is citations, and that has more to do with the map section. So this is a simulated search in your area, and it's simulated off of the Android phone. So this is what people using an Android phone should see. And so I just did landscaping, just very generic. And the first thing that you're going to see is ads. So these are people that are paying to be on the top of the search engine, but these ads don't always pan out, especially nowadays when a lot of people are using ad blockers. So if they are using an ad blocker, there's a good chance that they're not even going to see these ads. But right underneath the ads, you're going to see the map section. So this is where a lot of businesses nowadays are getting their phone calls from. And in order to rank high in here, you need to have something called citations. So you might be asking yourself, hey Calvin, what's a citation and how do I get them? Look guys, all a citation is it's your name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the web. So a directory would be something like Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, for example. These are places that offer businesses to list their information in there and also list their services, giving another avenue for customers to reach you. So in order to beat out your competition in here, you need to find out what directories that your competition's listed in, and you need to get listed in those directories as well. But in order to truly beat out your competition, you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition's doing. You want to do what they're doing and then do a little bit more, and that'll help boost you guys' rankings in this map section here. So that's the second thing that I want to go over with you guys with citations, and it has a lot to do with this map section here. Third and final thing that I'm going to go over with you guys is backlinks. So that has more to do with the section right underneath the maps, and this is what we consider the organic section. So in order to rank high in here, obviously you need to have more relevant content and keywords that are going to help boost you guys in the search engine, but also backlinks. So when you think of the internet, all it is a bunch of different websites that are linking back and forth to one another, and that's all a backlink is. And so you're basically getting another website to send a link to you guys, giving you guys another avenue for businesses to reach you. So in order to knock out your competition and to rank high in this organic section, you need to go out and find out what links or websites that your competition's listed in. You need to try to get listed in there as well, or you need to try to beat out them. So you need to get listed into more places that your competition's not currently listed in. So if I'm using a tool here, this is a tool I like to use called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it does give me an idea of what's working well for you and your competition. And so with this tool, I can see that you guys have 23 referring domains, giving you 189 backlinks total. And by having all those backlinks, you're getting found for about 40 keywords, bringing you on average about 2 visitors a month. So if I go here into the referring domains, I can actually see all the places that you're listed in, such as Easy Local, Directory. I'm sure there's other directories in here, Porch.com, Dexno. So there's all sorts of different directories that I can see that you're already listed in. And so let's take a look at one of your competitors out in the area. So I got Joe's Landscaping here. And you can see that they have 58 referring domains, giving them 192 backlinks, but they're getting found for 129 keywords, bringing them on average about 73 people a month to their website. So the difference is the types of websites that they're listed in and how often that they're listed in those websites. So you want to try to go in and identify what websites your competition's listed in. You want to try to get listed in there as well. And then also just taking a look at their keywords, just to give you an idea. So obviously they have some branded keywords, but then, you know, landscaping Dayton, Ohio, landscaping Fairborn, Ohio, so they Beaver Creek landscaping. So these are keywords and key phrases that you may want to be ranking for as well. I know that you guys are a little bit further west and might not be interested in those. But hopefully this information has kind of been insightful for you and kind of shown you how your competition is able to outrank you online. And if you use these 3 steps or 3 tips that I've given you today on your own website, you'll start to see some increase in rankings and ultimately some more clients from your website. So that's it, guys. That's the 3 tips that I have for you. So just content, citations, and backlinks. If you can tell that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help grow your business, please give me a call and we can chat. Or if you just like to take these tips, be my guest and use them. Just give me some feedback on this video if you would, and let me know how I did. Thanks again for your time, and you have a wonderful day.